We're getting you big details that's coming in from the United States intel agencies, which has confirmed that China ordered the attack on Indian troops in the Galwan River Valley. General Zhao Zongqi, head of the Western Theater Command and among the few combat veterans still serving in the People's Liberation Army, approved this particular operation. Zhao, who has overseen prior standoffs with India, has previously expressed concerns that China must not appear weak to avoid exploitation by the United States and its allies, and saw the face-off that happened on June 15th as a way to teach India a lesson. The assessment contradicts China's subsequent assertions about what really happened last week. Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, this is incriminating really because it establishes what India has been stating all along, that what happened at Galwan Valley on June 15th was a premeditated attack by the Chinese.
Well, that's right. This is a huge revelation coming in from U.S. intel agencies that have been cited by a very important news agency and news network in the United States of America. Chinese officials have not released details, but the assessment comes from none other than those U.S. intel agencies who have been studying these Chinese officials, particularly those who are in combat roles, and only a very few generals who are left in that combat and are combat veterans. General Zhao Zongqi is one of the star generals of the Chinese army, and the intel agencies say that this indeed was pre-planned and premeditated, exactly how India has been reading the entire situation. Dr. Jaishankar, when he spoke with his Chinese counterpart, made that very clear that this did not seem like an operation or a scuffle, a skirmish that happened right there and then, and it wasn't planned. It seemed absolutely premeditated. They had come with the medieval weapons, spiked clubs, in order to cause harm to the Indian soldiers, and that certainly showed that they had come with a pre-planned notion and idea of creating a problem between these two forces. General Zhao Zongqi clearing it is something that we were not aware of, but U.S. intel agencies say that the operation was approved by the general himself, who oversees this entire area and who has in the past also overseen standoffs between India and the Chinese forces. There was initially a report about how he was a part of the Doklam crisis as well. Okay. And the assessment continues to maintain that 20 Indian soldiers and 35 Chinese troops died in that attack.
All right, Geeta, thank you for joining us with all those details. U.S. intel report there exposing China and confirming that China had planned this attack because they wanted to essentially do some muscle flexing.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.